Trying to grow your online business? You've heard about funnels, right? But let's be honest, when you first hear a funnel, does your brain explode? Landing pages, lead magnets, follow-ups. It sounds like you need a PhD in tech just to get started. Beginners often try piecing together a million different tools. One platform for landing pages, another for emails, another for tracking. Before long, you're juggling subscriptions and integrations. Instead of getting leads, you're managing software. Sound familiar? GoHighLevel simplifies everything by bringing it all into one platform. Landing pages, lead capture, follow-up emails, contact management. All from one dashboard. Build a simple funnel in just a few steps. First, create a landing page to collect info. Then, that lead automatically goes into your GoHighLevel CRM. From there, trigger automated follow-ups via email or SMS. Your funnel isn't just collecting contacts, it's nurturing potential customers on autopilot. This simple system can be the foundation of your entire online business. Once it's set up, it works for you 24/7. Ready to start building funnels the easy way with GoHighLevel? Click the link in the description to grab our free GoHighLevel for Beginners ebook. And also click the other link to start your free trial of GoHighLevel today.